Hello friends, welcome to SS Speech in Kannada channel. Today we learn Mahatma Gandhi quotes. Mahatma Gandhi quotes. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's start the video. First quote. Where there is love, there is life. There is life. Where there is love, there is life. Second one. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. Without my permission. Once again, nobody can hurt me without my permission. Third one. God has no religion. God has no religion. Fourth one. Hate the sin. Love the sinner. Once again, hate the sin, love the sinner. Fifth one. The future depends on what you do today. Once again, the future depends on what you do today. Sixth one. To believe in something, and not to live it. Is dishonest. Once again, to believe in something and not to live it is dishonest. Seventh one. Action expresses priorities. Action expresses priorities. Eighth one. My life is my message. My life is my message. Ninth one. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. You can shake the world. Once again, in a gentle way, you can shake the world. Tenth one. Truth is one. Paths are many. Once again, truth is one. Paths are many. 11th one. Poverty is the worst form of violence. Poverty is the worst form of violence. 12th one. Faith is not something to grasp. It is a state to grow into. Once again, faith is not something to grasp. It is a state to grow into. 13th. Live simply so that others may simply live. Once again, live simply so that others may simply live. 14th one. If you don't ask, if you don't ask, you don't get it. You don't get it. Once again, if you don't ask, you don't get it. 15th one. You must be the change. You must be the change. You must be the change. You wish to see in the world. Once again, you must be the change you wish you to see the world. Okay. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.